Yeah, hello all. Welcome back. In the last session, we understand how to invoke a function and a function return any value, and we should store that value into some variable. Okay, and how to pass the parameters to the function. A little bit basics. We understand. So here today we are going to learn why we need a return. Why we need to return something from a function. Okay, and of course few things related to arguments, and we are going to write some simple functions, and which we are going to understand what is the importance of functions by reusability. Okay, and now let's see. Hi team, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How's the
Yes,
class
sir.
today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hi,
Hi, sir.
sir.
Hi, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. That's fine. So here, okay, let me add some code. So I'm just writing. So get ready to answer a few things. Okay, console.log start, and I'm just declaring let. Okay, yesterday we have created function like this, like function addition. Okay, function addition. And this function is expecting two values, x comma y. And inside that we are declaring a variable that let sum equal to x plus y. Okay, sum is equal to x plus y. And okay, we have used return. Okay, yesterday I said just if we use return, you should collect it from another variable. But exactly why we need to return and why we need to store in another variable, that we can learn today. And suppose so for getting the total, let here I'm just doing like output something. Okay. Out initially nothing is there. And here whenever you invoke any function addition, if you pass, okay, if you pass 5 comma 6, what we can call this 5 comma 6? 5 comma 6 what?
Arguments.
Argument.
Arguments.
Arguments, very good. What is this x comma y?
Parameters.
Parameter.
Parameters.
Very good. There's in short form we can call params. Okay, okay, fine. So hopefully you everyone understood about this program. So console.log, I'm just putting like sum of x comma y. Okay, sum equal to as simple as x comma r, because it's there in the. And here I'm just I can do like console.log and so that we know that it will print 5 plus 6 into 11, because this is the function definition. It will okay, first it will execute console.log, it will print start, and then it will invoke this function. It will pass the 5 comma 6, and 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. It will store in the sum and it will return the value, not the bool. So the value of 11 will store into the variable out, and you are going to display the out using console.log. This is what we understand. Just let me execute one more time. Hopefully this is perfect. So now I will ask few questions. I will do some changes here and I will ask few questions. Get ready to answer that, so that we are going to understand the scope concept. Okay, that is very important. Of course, we are going to learn in detail in coming days. Right now, what are the required things to proceed to enter into the complex programming? That much I will explain. Then in detail I will explain in coming days. So here, so I just invoked the addition of 5 comma 6. Okay, and here, okay, I'm just removing this. Observe carefully what I'm trying to do. Even I'm just removing this out also. Okay, Simple function is there, addition x comma y. Let sum is equal to x plus y. And even I'm just removing return function also, return statement also. Observe carefully, this is addition. I'm passing x comma y, and it will store x plus y value into sum. Okay, if you invoke this function. Suppose if I do console.log sum. Okay, just wait. I will ask particular student. That student should answer. Okay. So what will be the output? Okay, just guess it. If you don't know, don't worry. Just guess it. What will happen? Okay. Okay. Gopi Krishna, are you ready? Gopi,
Yes.
no problem. If you give a wrong answer also, no problem. Just try. So just tell me what will be the output for this program.
Start.
Okay.
Then it will print
Just a minute.
sum and end.
Okay. It will print start and then
And it will print console.log sum only sum. And
then console.log.
then sum. It will print sum and end.
Yes, it will print sum
And end.
and sure.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So I will ask another question. Can just commenting this. Same student should answer. Okay. I'm just writing console.log sum. And again I'm writing console.log sum. Okay. Gopi, just tell me what is the difference between these two statements.
First one is print sum and next one it is printing an undefined.
First one it will print sum. Next one
It will print undefined.
undefined. Okay. Why it will print undefined?
Because in sum we are not assigning any value.
Okay. Because we are not assigning any value, that's why you are getting undefined. Okay. So now I'm just uncommenting this code. Okay, now tell me again just why it will print sum here. Here you said undefined, right?
Yeah.
Here you are saying sum.
X plus y. It will print x plus y.
It will print x plus y. Just exactly x plus y. Don't worry. At least I will appreciate that you have given an answer, whether it is right or wrong. You have attempted. That's fantastic. Okay, next, Akshay Agaram. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Very good. Just try to answer first to this program. Okay. Function addition x comma y, let sum is equal to x plus y, addition of 5 comma 6, console.log sum. Just tell me what will be the output for this program.
First start, sir.
Okay.
Start afterwards sum, end.
Okay. Here it will print sum, and here it will print end, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. If you give a wrong answer, that is my responsibility because I'm giving a training so that I need to clarify all these things. Don't worry about. Don't think that you are doing mistake. Okay. Now tell me for this one. What will the output? It will be sum undefined, or you have any other answer?
Second one is undefined, sir.
Second is undefined.
The
The first one,
First one will come sum only, sir.
Sum only. You are
Yes,
also
sir.
saying that the same result. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Gopi Krishna done. Akshay done. Okay. Pavan Giviti, just try to answer this program.
Okay, sir.
Just answer this one.
Sir, function addition one, sir.
యా ఇది మొత్తం ఏమేమి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది ఫస్ట్
Start.
ఓకే గుడ్ తర్వాత ఇక్కడ
అక్కడ సమ్ అవుతుంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు సమ్ అవుతుందా వెరీ గుడ్ సమ్ అంటే అవుట్పుట్ లో ఎస్యుఎం అని ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది అంతే కదా నువ్వు చెప్పేది
లేదు 11 సార్ 11 సార్ 11
ప్రింట్ 11
అండ్ ఎండ్ సార్.
ఓకే అగైన్ పవన్ okay, this is very very important who are watching this video on YouTube. Just try to note down your answer also and then cross check whether you are giving a right answer or not. If you are wrong answer, don't worry, I will explain. Okay. Yeah, Pawan, tell me again what is the output of this program and what is the output of this program? This instruction.
ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ సమ్ it will print sum only, sir. First third line
Also sum.
And definitely fourth line.
Okay.
Undefined, sir.
Undefined. Okay, I think you are stick with this is common for 3 students. What you said, sum and undefined, and here someone said x plus y, someone plus said sum, someone said 11. Okay, fantastic. Okay, I will ask few more students. Don't worry. Hey, Sujan, can you try? Just tell me what will be the result for this one.
Which first one sum, second one is sum is undefined.
Sum is undefined. Yeah. Very good. Now for this.
This one nothing, I think so.
Nothing?
Just yeah, directly end.
At line number 12, it is not going to print anything. It is not going to do anything.
I think undefined.
Okay, maybe undefined. Okay, we got different answer. Okay. Very good, Sujan. And next, I want to ask Raghu. Only one Raghu is there. I would just tell me what will be the output for this program.
Yeah, while calling to the console.log sum, it will not enter into the function. So it is undefined.
You are also saying that it is undefined?
Yes.
Here we are invoking the function addition 5 comma 6. After that, I am just
but we didn't call the function, right?
Okay. Here it will be undefined.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, what about this one?
This one the same as it is sum undefined.
Sum undefined.
Yes.
First one is sum. Second one is undefined.
And it's undefined. Yes.
Very good. Okay. Sheshagiri, tell me what is your answer?
First one starts, sir. Next 11. After end, sir.
Next 11 and then end. Okay. And what about these 2 lines?
Sum undefined, sir. First line sum. Second line undefined.
I will ask Pavan Kumar.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, Pavan Kumar.
First line number 1 start print out, sir.
Okay.
And function kabatti because of this scope we cannot access variable inside the function, so it will not print. I think it will throw error, sir.
Okay, at line number 12, it will throw an error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pawan Kumar
And
saying maybe it will be error. Okay.
line number 14.
It will be end. Okay. There is no problem with that.
Yes.
Here, line number 3 and 4.
Line number 3, it will print sum only. And line number 4, I think it is also an error.
It is also an error. What is the error?
Yes.
Can you guess what will be the error?
Not defined.
Not defined. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Fine. Next. Sobarani, can you try?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Start,
Okay.
sum, defined,
Sum-
11.
Okay, sorry. Line number 12 వస్తుంది 11 వస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 14 end. That is fine.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ లో?
Third line లో sum, fourth line లో undefined.
Okay, very good. So now we can ask Sai Kirti, can you answer?
Yes, sir. Start.
Okay.
It will throw error at line 12.
Okay.
Sum is not defined.
Fantastic. Okay.
At last, end.
Okay. What about these two things? Line number 3 and 4.
Line number 3, it will print sum.
Okay.
At line number 4, we get error. Same. Sum is not defined error.
Very good. And last, Pankaj. Tell me what will be the output, Pankaj?
So, we did not did like console of some, so it will give a error.
Sorry. What will be the result at line number 12?
So it will give a reference error.
Reference error. Okay. You are saying error.
Yes, sir.
And you are
Some
clearly
part-
saying that reference error. Okay. Very good.
Because sum is not defined and we are not printing the result, whatever we are storing in X plus Y.
Okay. Fine. Good. Okay. Actually, okay. Most of you have given wrong answers. Don't worry about that, because JavaScript is not that much easy. Okay, if you don't learn properly, even if I don't teach properly. Okay, both the cases. Okay, we should learn lots of things. Okay, we should learn lots of things. Okay, no problem. We have enough time to learn. Okay, let me go back to the few fundamentals. Okay, where you are doing some mistakes. Okay, I will again explain this. So first, I'm commenting this one. Okay, I'm commenting this one. The whole code. Okay, let me. Okay. Anyway, I can remember this one. So I think everyone can give a right answer for this, because console.log start, console.log of end. Okay, this is absolutely easy for everyone. No problem. Start and end. So here inside that, I'm just writing console.log. Okay. Okay. Simple. Small letters. So everyone can give a right answer, because it's not a complex thing, right? It will print start, sum, and end. Okay, sum and end. So suppose if you remove the double quotations, what will happen? That is very, very important. Okay, if you remove the double quotation, that means JavaScript will treat that this is a variable. What is a variable? Suppose, you see, if you define let a, okay, let a, and you can simply say that console.log of a. Tell me, students, what will be the result of at line number 5?
is not defined.
At line number 5,
Undefined.
console.log A.
Undefined. A is not defined.
Undefined.
Undefined or A is not defined. Both are different.
Undefined, sir.
Undefined.
Okay. So most of the people are saying undefined, and few people are saying that A is
A is not defined.
first we can discuss about this. What is the difference between undefined and A is not defined? Okay, let's see. Okay, first let's see this program, because JavaScript is really hard, but if you learn properly, definitely you will fall in love with JavaScript. Okay, trust me that much at least. So here I have declared a variable let A. I didn't initialize anything, and I'm just trying to access that variable. Observe carefully. What is the result? Just tell me, what is the result?
Undefined.
Undefined. Remember everything. It is undefined. That means you have a variable. You have declared a variable, but you didn't initialize any value. Initialize any value means, suppose if you initialize with 10, what will be the output now?
10.
Because you have initialized some value. So if you don't initialize any value, what will be the result?
Undefined.
Undefined. Up to this, everyone understood, or do you have any question on this? Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Everyone should say.
Understood.
Understood. Fantastic. So now we are going to understand the
Hey,
difference.
what again?
Okay. Ever అడిగింది? Om. Okay, Om.
What is mean by undefined and not?
Okay, I will explain about this one. Okay. So far you understood this one. If you declare let A and if you don't initialize any value, it will print undefined. Right? Om? Got it? You are saying yes. Okay, fine. Okay. If you don't initialize any value, just remember what I'm talking. If you don't initialize a value, you will get undefined. Suppose even if you didn't declare a variable also, let A is also not there. Then what will happen?
Not defined. A is not defined.
Okay. Hopefully you understand the difference between the previous program and now, right? Previously, we have a variable let A. Okay. Now I have commented. Commented means it is not going to consider. Okay. There is a huge difference between this code and this code. Okay. So now I'm just removing this one, and let me execute. You will get a different result. What is saying? Tell me again.
Not defined.
Not defined.
A is not defined.
A is
Not defined.
not defined. That means A is not there in the memory, right? A is not there in the memory. So if you see, if I do let A, what will happen? It will allocate the memory. Of course, I will explain execution context and global execution context, everything very soon. Right now, if you see what it will do, let A means somewhere in the memory, it has a variable A, and if you don't mention anything, if you don't declare anything, it will give undefined. Suppose if you don't declare this thing as let is equal to A, that means nothing is there in the memory. Nothing is there. Just consider this is the memory. Okay, it will check the memory. In the memory, is there any A? Nothing is there. At the time, what it will say? A is
Not defined.
not defined. Suppose if you see let A, now what will be the result?
Undefined.
Undefined.
Undefined. Because if you just declare let A, that means in the memory there is a variable available that is A. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. That's why you will get undefined. Now tell me what will be the output of this program. Now tell me what will be the output at line number 5 and what will be the output at line number 6.
First
Undefined.
one is not
Start.
defined, second one is undefined.
Observe
Start.
carefully. Okay,
Start.
I will ask
First
one
one
by one.
undefined,
Okay,
sixth one not defined.
line number 5, what it is?
Undefined.
Undefined.
Okay. Everyone is saying undefined or anyone have any other answers?
Undefined only, sir.
Just speak loudly.
Undefined.
Everyone.
Undefined.
Undefined.
Undefined. Okay. What will be the output for, at line number 6?
P is
He is not
Not
defined.
defined.
P
He is
is
not defined.
Not defined.
Not defined.
is not.
B is not defined.
That means there is no variable in the memory called B, right? Understood? I hope you understood now. Okay. Now tell me console.log of B. What does it mean? What will be the output here?
B.
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 Right? So whenever you declare something in the console.log in a double quotation, okay, it is not going to check in the memory. It will directly print console.log of B. Okay. If you don't use the double quotation, that means it's a variable, right? If you don't use double quotation and if you just mention B, that means it will check a variable whether it is available in the memory or not. Okay, that is very, very, very important. Okay, now tell me the answer for the previous question which I asked. Okay, console.log I just print sum, and again console.log sum. Now tell me what will be the output of the first line number 3.
some.
What is the output of at line number 4?
Sum is not defined.
Sum
Undefined.
is
Undefined.
Not defined. Sum is not defined.
Sum is not defined.
undefined or sum is not defined?
Sum is not defined.
Some is
Sum
not
is
defined.
Not defined.
not defined. Okay. Okay. Understood the difference between undefined and not defined?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
just tell me genuinely. If you don't understand, ask me now itself. I will explain 2 or 3 times, 4 times. If you don't understand my English, I will try to explain in Telugu also or Hindi also. I try. Understood, everyone? అందరికి అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Hopefully, if you understand, at least you will love some programming. Okay, fine. So now I will come back to the question. Okay, I have declared function addition. Okay, and we have said that x comma y. I just invoke the addition. I'm just passing 5 comma 6. Okay, and here I just put let sum is equal to x plus y. And now I just asked the question like console.log sum. Okay, this is what the question like which I just asked initially. Okay, now tell me what will be the output of this line at line number 9. Okay,
Sum is
Sujan,
not defined, sir.
sum is not defined.
Sum
Or
is not defined.
someone is saying that sum
Is not
is not defined. Any other answers? Okay, previously you said undefined and 11. No problem, just stick. Okay, whatever you know, just tell me that. Don't worry, don't try to copy paste the answers from others, take opinions from others. Don't think that other people are intelligent. Okay, everyone is equally intelligent. Just trust yourself. If you give a wrong answer, stick with your wrong answer only, and I will explain the correct answer. Okay, now tell me how many of you go with the sum is undefined. Okay, this is, I am saying like this is the first option, this is the second option, this is the third option. Just ping me in the chat which is your answer. Either sum is undefined, sum is not defined, or undefined, or 11, or something else. Just ping me in the comment section. What is your answer? 1 or 2 or 3? Sai Kirti said 1, Pavan Giviti said 3, and Gopi Krishna go for 1. Sai Kumar said 1. Not defined, okay, that is option 1. Sum is not defined, that is option 1. 1. Okay. Okay. Few people are giving, most people are giving option 1. But I have declared a variable sum, right? Why you are saying that sum is not defined? Okay,
The
clearly.
variable
We have declared it inside the function, sir.
Okay, we have declared the variable inside the function so that we can't access outside the function.
Yes, sir.
That's the reason. Who said that?
yes.
It's like scope things.
Let T is a scope
Scope.
variable.
Okay.
Scope variable.
Pavan is saying, Shivaprasad is saying the same thing. Gopi Krishna also saying the same thing. Okay, you're saying that it's a scope issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, remaining people, maybe you're completely new to the JavaScript. That's why you have a confusion. Right, Raghu, we have already declared the variable let sum. So definitely it will be there in the memory so that I can access, so that it will print sum. Even though if I don't return. Okay. If I return this one, and if I store into some another variable let out is equal to something, and if you just do console.log out, you know that you will get an output. But here, yes, absolutely correct what you said. If you declare any variable inside the function, you can't access that variable outside the function. Okay, if you see, if I execute this one, what it is saying at line number 9, what is the output? Everyone should say.
Sum is not defined. Sum is not defined.
Sum is not.
Sum is not defined. Okay, yes, we have defined that one inside the function, but we are not able to access outside the function. So here we should understand some very, very interesting concept that is called scope. What is that concept?
Scope.
Okay, I think 2 days back we understand one thing, like we got a new word that is called call stack, right? Note down on your notebook. I said you should purchase a notebook, right? I'm not sure how many of you purchased it. Not just note down these jargons like terminology. Call stack, we are going to learn about call stack in detail. Okay, today we just came to one new concept that is called scope. This is most important thing. If you because normally I'm saying many people went to any other institute. I don't want to blame anyone. Okay, they don't teach about scope and all these things. Okay, they will learn how, like for loop, and how to declare a function, how to invoke the function. That much is they will learn. Okay, after that, once they went to interview, they will ask what is the scope, and they will ask what is the scope chain. It's gone, right? If you don't learn JavaScript in a proper way, JavaScript is not simple. JavaScript is very complex, but if you learn in a proper way, you can learn easily. Okay, so no problem. We are going to discuss about each and everything in detail. Okay, this is called scope. So here in simple way, because we need to understand global execution context, and we need to understand the execution context. Then only we will understand all these things that we are going to cover very, very soon. So now today, just understand one point, that is, if you declare any variable inside the function, just note down what is that. If you declare any variable inside the function, you can't
Access that variable outside the function.
yes, very good, access that outside. That's it. Okay, very good, very good. So now I will do small change in this program, and now tell me what will be the output. Okay, I hope so far everyone understood, or do you have any questions? Because some we have declared inside the function, but unfortunately we can't access outside the function because that is a local, that is very secure. Okay, that is very secure, so that we can't access outside. Understood or not, everyone? Quick, I need quick answer. Yes or no? 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 Okay, very good, very good. So now I am doing a small change in this program, and just tell me what will be the output. Okay. So now what I'm doing here, I'm just removing this let here. Okay, I'm just declaring here let sum. Okay, what I did, I just declared sum at line number 3, and whenever I invoke the function, I'm just trying to calculate x plus y. I'm just storing into the sum. Okay, I don't know, I'm not explaining that whether you are able to access sum inside the function or not. Just guess what will be the output for this program. Just forget about start and end. Okay, I'm just removing the start and end to avoid the confusion, because I hope you know, right? We'll print start and end. Okay, now tell me, just guess it, what will be the output at line number 9?
11, 11 sir.
Undefined.
11 sir.
Okay, people are 7, 11.
11.
Undefined.
Undefined.
Very good. Undefined, Anna. Then
11, sir.
okay, 11 already there. Undefined. Is there any other answers? Some is not defined or something?
No sir.
Okay. Either you have two options. Either it will be print 11 or undefined. Okay, naturally people can say that, hey Raghu, you have declared a variable, but you are just storing sum is equal to x plus 5 inside the function. If you are not able to access the variable which is there inside the function, how can you access a variable which you have declared outside from this function? Okay, మనం ఫంక్షన్ లోపల డిక్లేర్ చేసిన దాన్ని బయట యూజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి అవకాశం లేనప్పుడు, ఆ బయట డిక్లేర్ చేసిన దాన్ని లోపల యూజ్ చేయడానికి కూడా అవకాశం లేదని అనుకోవచ్చు. అందులో తప్పేమీ లేదు. Okay, so that we got two different answers. Okay, nothing wrong in that. So now just ping me how many of you go with 11 and how many of you go with the undefined. Just ping me in the comment section. Just Sai Sharan said undefined. Okay. Om Prakash said 11. Akshay said 11. Sai Kumar said 11. Okay, 15 students are there. I need answers from 15 students. And who didn't join this session, hopefully I will remove you from the batch very soon. Okay. Shiv Prasad said 11, 11. Okay. If people are saying undefined, people are saying 11. Okay, let's see the output. It's all fun. Okay, lots of twists and turns are there in JavaScript. You will get minimum 2 to 3 twists in every session. Okay, if I plan properly, you will get minimum 2 or 3 twists and turns in JavaScript. Actually, that's why I love JavaScript. What will be the output now?
11.
11. Okay, now remember, if you declare any variable outside, you can access that from the function. Okay, got it? That's why you're able to see it. Here sum is there. So what he is doing, observe carefully what he is doing. Of course, once you learn scope and all these things, you will get more clarity. Right now, just remember like this. Okay. Let A, sorry, let, what is that? Sum, right? Sum, sum. Just remember this is the memory block. This is the memory block. Okay, nothing is there. Okay. In the line number 1, nothing is there. And here it will remember the function definition. And then it will, whenever you invoke addition of 5 comma 6, what will happen? We are passing 5 to x and 6 to y, and it will do 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, and it will store into sum. It will store into sum. Yes, this function can access variables those declared outside the function. Yes, you can access. That means, so once you do sum is equal to x plus y, yes, it is going to store 11 here only. Okay, there is no secure place. Okay, the same place it is going to store. So that at line number 9, if you just try to do console.log of sum, you will get 11 because the value is modified by that function. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, బయట డిక్లేర్ చేసిన వేరియబుల్స్ ని ఫంక్షన్ లోపల యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, బట్ ఫంక్షన్ లోపల క్రియేట్ చేసిన వేరియబుల్స్ ని మనం బయట యూజ్ చేసుకోకూడదు. అర్థమైందా? వాట్స్ ద రూల్? సో హియర్ జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్, if you declare any variable outside, that variable is called global variables. Just remember, what is that? Just tell me, what is that?
Global variable.
Global variable. You should not forget this terminology. Okay, if you declare anything outside the function level, if you just declare like this, it will be global variable. If you declare any variable inside the function, what we can say?
Local variables.
Yes. Suppose if I c is equal to 10 something like that, what it is? It is a local. Understood? So now tell me, if I declare any variable globally, can you access from function? If I declare a variable in a global scope, can we access that variable from the function? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone should say yes or no. What do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes,
declare
sir.
any variable inside the function, can you access outside the function?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is very,
No,
very
sir.
important. So these are the rules and regulations. Simply, if you do practice, there is a chance like you will get a job. If you don't do practice, you can't get a job. I'm saying, if you don't do practice, you can't understand JavaScript. If you don't understand JavaScript, if you just try to get a job as a web developer, it's impossible. Okay, impossible. Okay, I hope my students are going to do practice and learn properly. If you have any question, ask me. Don't think that whether this is a small question or a big question or a silly question, anything you can ask. Okay. Oh, now, okay, hopefully you guys understood. Now, okay, right now, today's session, we understand few important things, that is the global variables and local variables. And another thing, we understand the difference between
Not
undefined
Undefined and
and
not.
not
not defined. Okay, very soon I'm going to explain what is there inside the JavaScript runtime environment, what is the call stack, what is the execution context, what is the global execution context, and how we can execute JavaScript inside the browser. I will show you each and everything. Okay, for a few days, just remember these points and just write program according to these rules and regulations. Okay, undefined versus not defined, and not defined is an error. Undefined is not an error. Undefined is just a value, right? That is a data type. Undefined, null, string, number, boolean, these are the data types. Not defined is a error. Okay, so fine. So I will just do a simple thing. I will cross check whether you guys understood or not, then we can jump into another important thing. Okay, so I'm just declaring here. Let c is equal to 100. Okay, observe carefully and give me the answer. Okay, observe carefully and give me the answer. Wait, still not completed. Okay, just wait. Okay, I'm asking the question in a sequence. Okay, I will ask. You should answer the question, answer in the sequence. Okay, first you should give me the answer. What will be the output at line number 8, and what will be the output at line number 14, and what is the result at line number 15? Okay, just ping me in the comment section. At line number 8, what will be the output? And at line number 14, what will be the result? And what at line number 15, what will be the result? Quick. Go over watching this video. Please note down your answers on a pen and paper. Like using pen on a paper, and just cross check after 2 minutes. Done, everyone? Okay. Okay, just mention like this. How Shiv Prasad said 100, 222, and C is not defined. Okay, in a sequence. Some people have said at line number 800. Some people have said at line number 8 undefined. 110 and not defined. Okay, I will give at least 1 more minute to you. Just ping me. Done, everyone? If everyone done, just tell me. Okay, hopefully you're done. Okay, people said 110 are not defined, 100, 222 are not defined. Okay, let me cross check. Tell me, what is the output at line number 8? Everyone, just tell me, what is your answer?
100.
Line number 8.
100.
100.
Everyone is 100?
100.
Sure? Anyone have any different answers at line number 8? Did anyone said undefined at line number 8? Pawan, you have given at line number 8 undefined.
Sir, I have corrected it at last, sir.
Okay. Machava.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Srujan, you said undefined. Tell me, Srujan, why it is undefined?
Yeah, it is inside the function, sir.
That means it
I
is
do not
undefined.
know what will be inside the function. So because,
Okay.
I guessing that.
No. Because you have declared let's see inside the function, you are accessing from inside. No problem for you. Okay. You can access a variable from a function
Okay.
if you declare the same function. Okay. If you still have that doubt, okay, I will clarify. So if you see from inside the function, you can access global variables and local variables, no problem. Okay. But if you declare any variable inside the function, you can't access from outside. Got it? Okay. Otherwise, I will give you some. If you see, just consider this is the hall in your room, in your at your house. Okay, this is a hall. Okay, and this is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. Okay, suppose if suppose most of the cases I'm saying, suppose your brother got married, or just consider brother is good. Brother got married, and this is a private room. Okay, this is private room. Brother and what we can call Vadina. And here we have a fridge. Okay, here we have a fridge. Inside brother's room also we have a fridge. Okay, now tell me, normally as per basic rules, okay, brother can take bottled water or anything, okay, anything which is there inside the fridge placed in the hall, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever you want to take something from fridge or birwa, just okay. Fridge means more normally you can say that okay, that is a common thing. Just think this is a birwa, okay, birwa. Okay, can you access this birwa without taking permission from your brother or Vadina?
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
But brother and okay, what we can call Vadina in English? I'm sorry.
Sister-in-law.
Sorry.
Sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law, sir.
Sister-in-law. Okay, I'm very poor. Okay. Okay. Sister-in-law and brother can access this fridge from hall, but if the fridge or anything or birwa is there at the private space, you should not access it, right? That is not the good thing. Okay, the same rule. Okay, you can access if you are there inside that private room, you can access the fridge or birwa which is there inside, and you can access the things from outside also. But if you're trying to access outside, suppose consider log of c, okay, this is restricted to access from a function. Got it? Now tell me, what will the output at line number 6, line number 8?
Line number 8, 100, sir.
Everyone?
100.
100.
Okay. Very good. And what is the result at line number 14?
222, sir.
Okay, few people are saying 222. Any other answers? Everyone said 222. I think I have seen some different answers. 10 also. Some people has given 10. Who has given 10? Raghu has given 10.
Yeah, I didn't see that. It will be exchanged with 222.
Sorry, Raghu. What is
It
your
will
answer
be,
now?
It will be replaced with 222, right?
Yeah, it will replace with the 222, right? Because
yes,
at line number 3, the value is 10.
10. Yes.
But when you reach line number 11, it is going to replace the value. So it will be
Yes.
10.
Yes.
Good. Agree, everyone? What is the output at line number 14? 222, or still you're thinking that 10?
222, sir.
Okay, someone has given 111. How, Prakash? It will be 111. Oh, okay, they have given value, right? 111. Okay. So why can't it will be 111? Only 222? Okay.
Updated value is taken here.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Someone said 222. Someone given 111. Okay. Now tell me. Yeah. Even I forgot about this one. Okay. Now tell me whether it will be 222 or 111.
222, sir.
Good to hear.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many of you go with the 222? And how many of you are going with the 111? Just ping me quickly, everyone. Ping me in the comment section. That is easy for me. Om Prakash said 111, and okay, everyone is going with the 222. Very good. Okay, but what is the answer? What is the answer? What our answer is 111. Okay, just understand carefully. If you do sum is equal to 222, right? When you execute line number 11, the value is 222. That is fine. Here the value is 222. But here if you see, you are invoking addition function after line number 11 or before line number 11?
After.
That means, because this is the function, you don't think that function will execute at line number 5. At line number 5, function is not going to execute, right? When that function is going to execute?
When it is in.
Whenever you invoke, right? Understood my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Line number 12 you are invoking at line number 12, because line number 11 the value is 222, that is perfect, and after that you are invoking the addition. That means whenever you invoke the addition, it is going to execute these lines, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means it will store C is equal to 100, it will store sum is equal to 111. So whether it will replace the value of sum or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Replace.
It will replace, right? So now what is the value of sum now at line number 12? It will be
111.
111, because yes, at line number 11 the sum is 222. There is nothing wrong in that, but you are invoking the addition after line number 11. So whenever you invoke this function, it is going to replace some value to 111 in the memory. Okay, don't think that Raghu, this is at line number 7, this is at line number 11, that's why it will take the latest value. No, because whenever the function is there, the invocation is important and the execution of this line is very important. Whether this line is executing before line number 11 or after line number 11, that is very important. So now everyone agree with me or not? What is the value of sum at line number 14?
111.
111.
111. Okay, I think only one student given right answer. Who's that?
Prakash.
Om Prakash. Very good, Om Prakash. Very good. Just give a clap to Om Prakash. Because he stick with his answer, because everyone is giving 222, but still he didn't change your opinion because he understand. Okay, like actual thing. Very good, Om Prakash. Very good. What will be the output at line number 15?
C is not defined.
C is not defined. Okay. Everyone has the same answer, or if anyone have any different opinion, just let me know.
Same answer, sir.
Everyone?
Same.
Everybody same answer? Okay. Let me execute the program now. So you said what you said?
100.
1111 and C is not defined, right?
Yes,
and most of you have given right answer for line number 8 and line number 15, and only one student has given a right answer for line number 14. So today's winner is Om Prakash. So now understand what is the difference between undefined and not defined, and at least, okay, we have too many scopes are there. Okay, right now don't worry about that, I will explain. So right now, just remember, if you declare any variable outside the function, that is a global variable. If you declare any variable inside the function, that is a local variable. Okay, if you declare inside the function, you can't access outside. Simple. And you understand exact difference between undefined and not defined. Undefined is not an error. Not defined is an error. That is a reference error. Okay, it's already 7:15. Now tell me, everyone understood everything today's session? Still, if you have any confusion, let me know. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, I think this is enough for today. So tomorrow we are going to learn. Of course, I said if you want to understand completely about the function, it will take 2-3 months. Okay, it will take 2-3 months to understand clearly about the functions. Okay, function expression is there. Okay, callback function is there. Arrow function is there. First order function is there. Higher order function is there. Functional programming is there. Construction function is there. Factory function is there. Okay, lots of functions are there. Because in our life also lots of functions are there, right? So those functions are important. Yeah, map, filter. Those are the predefined functions on arrays. Okay. Okay, I think today we understand really good two important concepts. That's why I'm just stopping here. I don't want to feed a lot of things on a single day. This is enough. Yeah. Any questions? Ask me. No questions?
Sir, you forgot to explain that last question in the assignment, sir. Month and year.
Month and year. That I will explain later. Later means not today.
Okay.
Because now we should focus on the functions. Okay, because whatever the programs you have done, if you have any question, just keep it there. Keep on doing, finishing other programs. Just ping me that Raghu need explanation on this, need explanation on this. Either maybe on Friday or something, we are going to all the questions in assignments. Okay. Meanwhile, you can take help from Pankaj, or some of your friends are doing well. Just ping me in the WhatsApp group. Or anyone done this program, can you explain me? Okay, definitely he will explain. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to explain each and every assignment, definitely. Because JavaScript is huge, so that I'm just planning things in different way, because I have only 1 hour per day. Okay. Yeah. Any questions apart from that?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. How's the Josh today?
Hi, sir.
Enjoyed?
Sir.
Enjoyed.
Enjoy, sir.
If you miss the session, I'm saying if you miss 5 sessions, that is, then just forget about that JavaScript. Okay. If you don't understand the scope, you can't understand advanced concepts. It's really difficult. So JavaScript is really hard if you don't learn properly. If you learn properly, definitely you will love. Okay. Thank you, and see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.